Alright, so every year to celebrate Mother's Day, we always like to go fishing out here at this pond. And this year, I realized that my mother in law and also her brother had never actually experienced what it's like to be behind the goggles during an FPV flight. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to do a little flying, and they're going to use my extra set of goggles, and we're going to see how much they enjoy it. So, stick around.
Just doing some recording of what we're doing.
Oh, Lord. Here, let me see it.
You gonna ruin my footage?
Yes.
Whoop one time, little tiny one. Oh, you didn't?
There's the sound.
You see it?
Looks like a video game.
You see me?
I do
See my
see it.
fingers?
Alright.
There, you got 2 fingers up.
Make sure everything's recording.
Now, I don't have to watch the drone, I can just watch, right?
Yeah, you just watch what you're seeing there,
It's
man.
just like
Oh,
watching
okay.
TV.
So around this point, Tommy started talking about how it was a little disorientating. So I thought it might be funny to play around a little bit and really mix it up on him to see how bad it really is. He still seemed to enjoy it, even though I was messing around trying to make him dizzy. right about here I wanted to start getting a little bit of height. So I took it up to around 300 feet high according to my altimeter. And if you look really closely, you can actually see the IKE smokestacks way off in the distance there. So somewhere around this point, I realized that Melissa had given up the goggles and went back to fishing. For those of you who haven't experienced it, for the first few times, it tends to make you a little dizzy, a little woozy, especially when I'm flipping around like I am. But overall, this was a great day, Mother's Day, out just enjoying the pretty weather with family. So, thanks for watching.